Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull. Today I'm going to talk to you about a few different wigs, and I've mentioned in the past, I did a section on if you have, a longer, slimmer face, what styles would work for you. Well, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about if you had a rounder face, what styles would work for you. Now, funny enough, I've got a round face. So I like often when I do my own hair and stuff, I like to put myself a bit of a quiff and kind of elongate my face. Now, the difference is not, dissimilar for when you're looking at wigs and you're looking at ladies' styles, but you're not necessarily going to give yourself a quiff. So this style right here, this is Zara. Now, Zara is from my collection, the Alexander Couture collection, and this color is Illumina R, which just looks beautiful. Now, why Zara works if you've got a round face? Zara works because, although she's a long bob, with us having that wave in there, it's not like it's sticking straight to your face. So if hair is sticking straight to your face and it's quite fine, that is going to accentuate a rounder face. With having this little bit of body to the side and the curl pattern, and certainly having this kind of almost like a long sideward kind of bang coming across, that's going to open up your face, and with the extra width in the style, it's going to seem a lot less round if you are conscious about having a round face. Zara is definitely a great style that suits round faces. Now, this is one of our new styles from the Orchid collection. This is Halle, and Halle is great. I mean, Halle looks great when you tuck it behind the ear like this, which I think just looks stunning. And you've got all this length around the front. Now, if you tuck it behind the ear and you have got a rounder face, what you're automatically doing is kind of, by taking that away, is you're slimming this side of your face down, and you've got, the extra width at this side, so it gives a little bit more balance. So, like with the Zara, it balances out this side, so it brings less attention if you are conscious about having a rounder face. So here we've got a new style, and this style is from the Muse collection. This is LUSH WAVEZ. Now, LUSH WAVEZ is a brilliant one if you've got a round face, because so you might have a rounder face, you might want to wear the bangs, you might want to go a bit more fashionable. Now, the curtain bangs are really in fashion at the moment, which LUSH WAVEZ has. Now, that's not going to be too heavy across this side here. So if you wanted to move it to a side, and seeing more of your face is going to make your face seem a little bit less round. Also, this curl pattern gives you a bit of width towards the sides, also gives you a bit of width towards your jawline, which makes the face look less round. And it's a very, very fashionable shape, very, very fashionable fringe, really fashionable curl pattern on there. And this would definitely suit, if you were a rounder faced person, this style would definitely be one for you. This style is Reed. Now, Reed is beautiful. I like the way that Reed has got this kind of natural movement and natural flow within the layers. You can see the movement in it is just kicking off here, although it is a straighter style. Now, having that movement to it works really nice if you have a rounder face, because you have the layers that are cut like this. It gives a bit of softness, it makes it quite floaty. So you can have a little bit of movement and a bit of width and a bit of body within the shape. Also, if you did have a rounder face and wanting to wear the bangs, it coming to the side and it being more on a side part, what that's going to do is that's going to give the illusion of your face and everything sitting that little bit longer, with the layers just hugging around the cheekbones, which opens the face up a little bit more. Now, this Reed, I just wanted to mention this colour. This colour is Snowy Sapphire-R, and I love that. It's that kind of beautiful bluey grey with that amazing kind of steely, stony, dark root. It just looks amazing. So that one is Reed in Snowy Sapphire-R. Coming to you with the final wig of my selection of wigs that would suit a round face. This is NOLAN. Now, I love NOLAN. NOLAN is a great style. You can see she's kind of mid to long, very, very straight, lots of different layers in there, gorgeous shape around the front. Now, in this section, I've been saying don't, wear things that are too fine, too stuck to the face if you've got a rounder face, but NOLAN is different because of the length. So NOLAN has length coming towards around about here and is very straight. So because your eye naturally follows the length right to about here, if you do have a rounder face, NOLAN being long and straight is going to give the illusion of having a longer face. Now, NOLAN looks amazing on anybody, but does certainly suit you if you've got a rounder face there. But this section is only me giving you guys some professional advice on how we'd look at things in the salon. You might have a rounder face and you might enjoy wearing some of the styles that I've mentioned might not work. At the end of the day, as long as you feel $1 million in what you're wearing, that's the most important bit. I hope you've got something from what I was mentioning today and some of the wigs that I've styled and I've talked about. If I haven't mentioned any that you think could be a great suggestion, please give us your comments because we always love to hear those. And anything that you might have worn or tips and tricks that you may have done at home, look forward to hearing those. And from us, all of us here at René of Paris and Aderans, thank you for tuning in. Remember to follow us on all forms of social media. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much.